Want to make products that customers actually want? Our customer needs analysis presentation allows business leaders and marketers to generate revenue growth by catering to the perfect customer. Tools in this presentation include the Value Proposition Canvas, Kano Model, Unmet Needs, Business versus Customer Needs, Blue Ocean Buyer Utility Map, Pain Points, Product Scope, plus many more, all of which can be downloaded and customized to your needs today. Now, let's see how these tools can be used to drive sales and keep customers coming back. The Value Proposition Canvas allows you to visualize whether you've achieved product market fit. The canvas is split into two sections, one for the product and one for target customers. Use the left-hand section to map your product's main benefits, features, and user experience details. Perhaps your shipping and delivery model is fast, or maybe you provide great post-purchase experience. On the customer side, map their wants, fears, and needs. What insights can be drawn from these emotions? Are you addressing the main gripes? In any product or service, there are basic features and functionalities that customers rightly take for granted. For example, users would expect a navigation app to at least give them the right directions from point A to point B. To go above and beyond, however, there are ways to delight the consumer. Features that offer pleasant surprises that users didn't expect but ended up loving. The Kano model lets you visualize this, plotting items on a graph based on user satisfaction and functionality. Features that are both functional and delight users should be prioritized. For example, a navigation app could show the business hours for the user's destination. Data from the Kano diagram can also be tabulated as a distribution table. With Kano, allocate the appropriate amount of resources to product endeavors. Spend less on time sinks and more on what matters to users. Now, this Unmet Customer Needs tool lets you do two things: identify what's important to your customers and highlight which group of customers are most valuable. When a group of customers are of high value to your business but are unsatisfied, they're underserved. This is the group that needs to be won over. When presenting findings of these customer sentiments to stakeholders, two big questions to address are how important it is for a group of customers to address a certain problem in their lives, and how satisfied they are with their current solution. Usually, if a problem of high importance is getting unsatisfactory treatments, that's what the business should focus on. This business versus customer needs Venn diagram can help reconcile your messaging and content with the desires of your customers. Realistically, internal business goals don't always align with customer needs, but there's bound to be a sweet spot that can address both. Understand what your priority content and message should be. Think about how to get important brand info across while also addressing customer concerns. If you're a shipping company, perhaps you're required to move toward carbon neutrality by new legislation. A large portion of your customers may also care about the environment, so that's a win-win. Remember, if you like the tools in this presentation, you can download and customize them for your needs right now. Based on the Blue Ocean framework, this buyer utility map identifies areas where businesses can create new value for customers and differentiate themselves from competitors. Nintendo used this tool to disrupt the gaming market. The company wanted to create a simpler gaming experience for non-traditional gamers. This led to the creation of the Wii console, which sold more than 100 million units. To set yourself apart from other industry players, focus on areas that aren't yet checked off on this map. Mapping out customer pain points allows you to point out areas that have potential for improvements. This visualization is inspired by a customer journey map. It lays out the user experience as positive and negative touchpoints. Pay attention to the negative experiences and think of ways to address these pain points. Perhaps when using a navigation app, the user found the right direction, but a pain point arose when they realized they couldn't customize the route. Alternatively, pain points can be plotted by their severity and importance on this pain map. Based on your findings on customer needs, you should be able to prioritize those needs into specific features that offer the most immediate benefits. The minimum viable product, or MVP, is the simplest possible version of a product that can be brought to market. The MVP is made of features that are absolutely essential, while leaving out the nice-to-have features for a later time. A well-defined product scope is critical for lean product development, and it allows you to test ideas quickly. Discover new insights about your target demographic and how to cater to them with this customer needs analysis presentation, which you can download and customize right now. After that, go check out our value proposition video for more resources on how to create high-growth products. Thank you so much for watching.